Jason, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about something called innovation. My business partner and I travel around the world. We've built businesses in about 15 different countries, and currently a lot of companies and a lot of businesses are looking at innovation. Business model innovation, marketing innovation, technology innovation, and how to do things a little bit faster and with more money and less cost. But one of the things that people don't realize is one of the major problems going on in the world right now is something called reflection. And most people become a reflection of something else that they've heard. They become a reflection of something that they've read. They become a reflection of what other people are saying to them. And the problem is that they don't ever take what it is that they're being heard and actually go through a process called refraction. Refraction is a process of taking clear light and putting it through a clear prism. I'm sure all of you have seen an image where you see light going into a clear object called a prism, or it looks like a pyramid, and on the other side comes a rainbow. So how is it that you can take clear light, put it into a clear image, and on the other side see a rainbow? Well, obviously something happens on the inside, which means that it breaks the light up into its individual components, and so you're able to see the purple, you're able to see the blue, the red, the green, the yellow, and so on. And most people are just looking at one finite color, like green, because it's money in business. And so what they do is they go run out to the bookstore, and they get the best-selling book on sales, the best-selling book on revenue, and they read it, and it usually goes, it's the 10 things that you need to know to dominate any market, or here's the 8 secrets to doing anything you want to create massive and passive income. And in my experience, those things don't work. And so what happens is people read the book, they give it to their friends, they tell their friends to read the book, and so on and so forth, and it actually becomes a reflection of a reflection of a reflection of a reflection, and people are never ever taught the simple principle of how to take something and put it through a process called refraction to see the individual components. And that's where real innovation takes place. And one of the predominant reasons that people wouldn't do that is because they just simply don't trust themselves. They don't trust themselves to take a risk. They don't trust themselves to get beyond the fear that's stopping them. They don't trust themselves to move beyond failure. They don't trust themselves to be able to pick themselves up if they're able to lose money. And one of the underlying parts to that is their inability to understand that emotions are connecting them and driving and weighing down their spirit. And so at Sales Partners, we've been able to develop a process that shows people how to tap back into their spirit, how to get beyond the emotions and get down deep inside themselves so that they can actually move themselves through a principle and a process called refraction, so they're not dependent on other people for the rest of their lives, that they themselves have what's inside of them to trust themselves, to move beyond, be able to take a concept that maybe they did pick up in a book, but to be able to refract it for themselves so that they are on the leading edge of innovation, so that they're able to take control of their life and do the things that they want to do and ultimately create lifestyle. And at Sales Partners, we have a lot of solutions for you, and we'd love to help you. Thank you.